How much area is required for HICAES? Looking back to our discussion in the video where we discussed expectations on the electricity storage device, the requirement on land for the implementation of the HICAES technology is an advantage deriving from its very design. This electricity storage technology can be imagined of consisting of two parts, of which one is the energy unit and the other one is the power unit. Both units together or combined constitute the HICAES storage technology. The energy unit area requirement depends mainly on the capacity of the storage plant. This part is designed to be installed below ground and thus permitting the use of the above ground area for other designated purposes. The dedicated design for this underground installation supports the placement under walkways, parking lots, parks, public roads, highways, or any other places. The underground installation will be protected with a cover similar in the size of a standard manhole. The second part of this technology is the power unit, usually installed above ground, making it accessible for occasional checks. However, to provide the exact requirements on the area needed, please get in touch with us to provide you with the specific data for your specific project. How long does it take to build HICAES? Check it out in our next message.